Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite celebrity, your girl Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a nail vlog update. It's time, baby. You see these nails? And we about to get these, you know, looking like a snack again, okay? I've been growing out my natural nails for about 2 months now. So you guys see the length? 2 months, okay? Just 2 months. But anyways, no long talking. Without further ado, before we get into the further ado, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend, give it a thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who's watching my channel. Thank you for being a part of the unique gang. Thank you for being a part of my family. Even though my channel is small, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has, been supporting me thus far. But without further ado, let's get straight into this nail vlog. I will to, run it up and get to the salon because I'm late. So, you feel me? See you when we get there. Bye. Babies, back at another nail vlog. You know how we do on these sides. So today we are getting these nails fixed. Yes. So here you see my nail tech. She is filing off the old acrylic using her e-file period because it is time for a new set of color. Boom, here's a little progress. You see the growth of my nails. They're getting so long. Top layer of acrylic has been filed off and both hands are now complete. This time around, I decided that I wanted to try a new shape, so I said, let's do coffin. Coffin nails was always a go-to for me when I did my nails using acrylic tips, but since I'm no longer using tips and I'm using my natural nails, I just wanted to, go back to the old, I'm the kind of person that once I find a style, I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm sticking to my coffin. And since they are long enough now, I told her, let's get it. Let's go. Let's do this. New shapes. In this clip right here, you can see that she already took off all of the listing acrylic. She already prepped my nail bed, put on the primer, the dehydrator, all of that jazz. And now we are going to fill these nails. So what I do is I do an overlay with my natural nails, and this helps to protect my nails from being damaged by other products, chemicals, etc, etc, etc. Now I wanted to do a healthy nail journey, and I wanted to grow out my nails because I am prone to peeling off my natural nails. Some people have a biting problem, and I think these kind of problems stem from anxiety and what's not. And so I just wanted to find a way to grow out my nails without damaging them. So I did my research and I found out about overlays. So what I do is we apply a small, thin, clear layer of acrylic to my natural nails to protect them as they grow. And since I am a hairstylist, hair braider, as some of you may know, I like to keep my nails lasting long. So I don't do gel paint or regular polish. I use acrylic. We apply whatever design I want on the top of my overlay, and that will help to keep my nails protected, etc. underneath. And still I'll be able to look fashionable. You feel me? Period. So here's my nails after they have been filled. So beautiful. I really love to see my nails with clear acrylic on, like top tier. Now I know this joke's gonna run over somebody's head, but look. So guys, I'm back from the nail salon. I got my nails slayed, okay? Sun hitting me in my face right now, but all of it is fine. So my nails came out, y'all. I'm gonna insert a video somewhere. Yeah, but you know, I love my nails. I've never done this color before, and I thought, you know, it was cute. So let me show y'all my toes. Keep it simple, stupid. Here are the pretty girl loving new nails. Period. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me you want more nail vlogs. Like, just let me know, baby. Let me know. But, you know, we about to end this video because your girl needs to eat and get ready for my client. Bye, y'all. Dishes. A brace face update coming soon. Oh.